Namaskar. Welcome to Mohua's Kitchen. I'm Mohua in front of you once again. So every morning we women always keep on thinking to make something new and surprise our loved ones. So let's make a kachori that will really surprise our loved ones. And believe me, if your kids doesn't like fish, so you can make this and surprise them with this kachori. Even my son doesn't like fish, but I make this and he loves to have that. Let's see what we need for this recipe. This is 350 grams of rohu fish which I have boiled in water with a little bit of salt and turmeric powder. This is ginger paste, garlic paste, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped raisins or kishmish, finely chopped onions. If you can't finely chop the onions, please do make a coarse paste with the onions. This is Shahi Garam Masala or Garam Masala, salt to taste, sugar to taste, little bit of haldi or turmeric, a slice of lemon juice, oil to fry. This is all-purpose flour or maida which we have to make a dough with this. We have to take out all the bones from the fish and discard the bones and the oil of the fish from the fish. So like this. I have taken out the bones and see I have discarded the oil from the fish and everything, and this is the flesh of the fish. We have to make a dough with this flour or maida by adding 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of white oil or whatever oil you have, and we have to and by adding a little bit of warm water we have to make a dough with this, a soft dough. We need to make a soft dough and cover it and keep it to rest. I have made the dough of the all-purpose flour, and I have put some oil over here and I'll keep it to rest for about 10 minutes. In a pan I have taken round about 2.5 tablespoons of white oil, and I'm going to fry the onions first, finely chopped onions first. After the onions become translucent or pinkish in color, at that time we have to add chopped green chilies to it. After that I'm putting 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and half teaspoon of ginger paste. When the ginger garlic paste, the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes away, at that time I have added haldi, little bit of salt to taste and little bit of sugar. Now I'll add the Shahi Garam Masala and the flesh of the fish to this and mix well with the masala. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, like and share, and please do comment me in the comment section. So now the thing is done. So now I'm adding the kishmish to it. I finely chop the kishmish and mix it well, and a piece of lemon to just cut down the smell. If there is no smell at all, the fish smell doesn't come out, but still if you need you can add. I'm adding, I like this flavor of the lemon, so I'm adding. So now just mix well, and after putting the lemon, please don't please switch off the gas. I have taken a portion from the maida dough and making a round shape, and then apply a little bit of oil to it and just roll it. Now take this and put the stuffing of the fish stuffing And be very careful while you take away the bones. Check twice if there is any bones left or not. Now just keep this and just seal it. And roll it. You can serve this with a very good chutney. I have boiled the green chilies in rock salt and water, and then add little bit of rye or mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, and little bit of white mustard seeds and salt. And just you have to you need to grind it, not in the mixer but in the silverta. Or now add a little bit of lemon juice. So don't make it a paste, it's just a coarse one thing. This is a chutney. It tastes very good with this kachori. So this is how you can have the kachori, fish kachori with chutney and onions.